most monster trucks in Proving Grounds. The road to Champions Cup.
The winner did it right, huge!
This course is vicious, brutal, endangering an extinction-level event.
Challenge accepted.
This is Proving Grounds. The road to Camp Crush.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Okay, how did this go? And now we kill you!
This is my turf, Gunkster! The only gunk around here is in the tar pit!
Do you want that? Do you want that, youngster?
Whoa! They nearly missed the stomping dino. Whoa! A dino bone flips Megarex's bumper. It's a fossil flip.
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. These dinos better remember, I invented first place.
Let's talk more rock.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Yeah!
Demo Derby going off-road to try and make it over Dino Skull Ridge.
Gotta clean this tar off to get it next time.
Winning, it's what I do.
Looks like it'll be Speed versus Snarl when Race Ace takes on Megarex in the triple header.
This is mine!
Dino's all mine.
Huge crash behind the liquor.
Bone Shaker takes a foot to the fender. And 5 Alarm takes home the win.
Well, no way, anybody. Why did you not try to do? I thought you what did you do, what? When did you do? Huh? Well, I thought you ready. Do you want to do what you thought? Do you do that? Man, I was ready to go. Right?
Race Ace knocked Demo Derby into the Triassic period, and 5 Alarm made a fossil out of Bone Shaker. The trucks that survived will duke it out in a triple header to see who has what it takes to make it to the upcoming Camp Crush. Find out next time on Proving Grounds, the road to Camp Crush.